It's a waste of time.
So sir, ba't ngayon magwi-withdraw ng pagiging co-author? Ngayon lang nila na-realize na may mga questionable at possible violation ng Constitution yung ilang provision ng bill?
It's not for me to comment on as to why they will be withdrawing their authorship, no, co-authorship. I cannot answer for my colleagues as to why. Magugulat ka, marami nagugulat din na nakausap ko dito sa Senado
Okay, Mean.
Sir, challenge lang ng konti. Sir, kasi yung mismong bill, wala naman nga talaga yung provisions ng 0 to 4 years old, tuturuan ng masturbation. Kung sasabihin ba sa bill na hindi susundin yung international standards and we will create our own standards, will that make you support it?
Of course. And would be based on our culture, on our beliefs na pinapangalagaan natin yung innocence ng ating mga kabataan. Hindi natin sila itutulak sa ganito. I mean, di ba parang may mga storya dyan yung mga matatanda para tignan ng bata at bigyan ng atensyon yung isang bulletin board, lalagay nila doon, huwag basahin. Diba? And these are things na gaya rin na sinasabi na matatanda, huwag tayong maglaro ng apoy. Huwag nating payagang maglaro ng apoy yung mga bata. I-guide natin sila. And again, I don't see any emergency, national emergency for sexuality education in our country.
Pero sir, kumbinsido ka ba na
Kailangang ituro?
hindi sir, na may dapat na gawing aksyon ng government doon sa problema sa tumataas na teenage pregnancy?
Absolutely.